Doing, guys? Brian back here with a look at bone. I apologize, been away a couple days here, feeling a little under the weather, but I'm back at it here. Not a whole lot happened price action wise anyway, so got some pretty decent stuff to show you today. Got some bullish divergence going on here, so that's a big thing to take a look at here. All right, but number one, we're going to move over here and take a look at coin market cap. Right now, we're at 73 cents. We're down 1.46% for the day. All right, volume is up 4.76% at 5.5 million, and the market cap is at $168 million. All right, where's that put us over here as far as the crypto bubbles? Let's take a look here. That puts us at number 161. All right, not too shabby. All right, there you go. For the week, we're up 4.7%. All right, 5.5, 167. See if that matches up. 168, 5.5. All right, $1 million difference here in the market cap, but not too bad. That's what I love to see right there. 92% circulating supply out there. That's huge. You don't want inflation to kill you down the road. So that's a big thing. If you're looking to invest in any kind of token or coin or anything, all right, pay attention to that circulating supply, guys. All right, that is huge. All right, you definitely want to see, at least above 60, 70%. All right, this is at 92%. Of the coins are out there, so that's pretty huge. That's what you want to see. If not, if you see something with 10% circulating supply out there, inflation is going to destroy the price of the crypto. As time goes on, they start releasing more and more and more and more crypto, then starts affecting the price more and more and more, and drags it down more and more because you have more coins out there, and you get the point, I'm sure. All right, so let's move on here. Let's get back to this chart. You can see in the last couple days, not a whole lot going on here. All right, if we go over here to the weekly, we got that weekly RSI still down at the bottom. All right, pretty nice actually. But I want to see that start moving up and bullish, not at a zero point 0.6 and a 1.96. All right, the daily. All right, this is where I got some bullish divergence to show you here. All right, notice here, all right, that from here to here is down. All right, the price came down. Okay, right here where this yellow line's at. Down here on the bottom on the RSI, let me get this where it won't, oops, sorry about that. See what happens when I come down here and try to draw it. So hold on one second, here we go. From here we have this bottom, and it's rising, okay? Instead of heading down, and I'm going to make this bigger so you can see it. Where things really getting on my nerves down here, I apologize. There we go. All right, you can see there, if I make it bigger, you can see it even better. All right, let's make that a little thinner down there so you can, there you go. Now you can tell. All right, this low here is higher than this low. This is opposite up here. Price went down. On the RSI, it's showing a higher high on the bottom. That's bullish divergence, and that's on the daily. All right, so that's great to see. All right, obviously this RSI is getting near the top here. It's up at a 78 and an 84. Actually flipped bearish, but watch for price action here to pick up. Okay, bullish divergences, especially on the daily, a very, very good sign to see. All right, that's what we want here. Okay, this is where I expect some explosive price action to start coming in here. All right, the 12-hour is coming down. You can see that wanting to curve back up here. We talked about this the other day. All right, when this price action over here really started moving is when that 12 got to the top. Well, it's up there. The 8-hour is coming down. It's about it's over halfway corrected. It's at a 30 and a 43. All right, and the 4-hour is corrected the whole way. All right, it's at a 7 and a 13. Okay, so especially with this daily bullish divergence, I'm watching for this thing to really start going. I love seeing bullish divergence on the daily. That's always a great thing to see. All right, you can see with my dotted line there, you can even see it better. See, that's the bottom of that one. And there's the bottom of that one. It's higher. This is obviously a lot lower. Okay, and then it's higher down here. So bullish divergence on that daily. Trust me, it it'll work out here for us, guys. Hang in there. This thing, it could come right back down here, either to the blue line, before it takes off. Let's see here. What do we got? There's also very good support there at 0.7128. All right, on that daily. So it could go to either one of these areas, and this could turn out being, it could turn out being a two wave pullback, three wave up, fourth wave, fifth wave up. All right, and we'll just have to see how this plays out. But looks like a 1-2 playing out in here, especially on a daily. Okay, if you have a wave one up, you have to have a wave two pull back down, then a wave three up. All right, but that bullish divergence, I haven't seen anybody talking about it yet or spotting it. So get ready here, especially if you see some massive volume start coming in here. Let's take a look here. 12-hour, just sell volume. I hate to see that happen to people. We'll see what happens. But you can see some buy volume back here. Then you got a massive, how many is that? 707,000 sell candle there. You hate to see that, especially if the thing, look, it always happens. Look at this here. It always happens to people. Look at all these people that sold here on the way down. All right, especially these ones that sold down here at the very bottom. And then look what happened. Boom. It shot up. How much did that shoot up from that? 30%, on every $1,000, that's $338. So, it makes a big difference. Every thousand, yeah, that's not, makes a huge difference. All right, so you got to pay attention to stuff. Then you had a bunch of people come in here that thought it was heading up from there. It's always wrong footing people, the market. It always does. You had a bunch of people coming in and buying then, and then look what happened. Whoop, shot right down. All right, so always do what the herd's not doing is usually a good strategy to follow. Look at this. You got all these people, this big green candle here, people buying in, and look what happened. So you got people selling right now. Usually that's the hardest time to buy, but believe it or not, a lot of times it does pay off. Not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am very closely watching this bullish divergence on this daily. That's what we want to see. That looks good. I'm just waiting for this thing to move. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. Please hit the like and subscribe. Right here, Shiba Inu gearing up for massive rally. Here's why. All right. Please hit the like and subscribe. Talk to you soon, guys. Have a great day.